subscriptions are basically renting what you could own. This runs on Cloudflare's infrastructure, handles all the heavy lifting, and gives you complete control over your data. The best part, it's built on their developer.
That's Cam. Cam pumps out content, and Cam could clone anyone.
What if I told you there's a $400 billion market where you can own territory instead of chasing one-time commissions? Would you believe it's possible?
Then, basically, it's not just that. Cam will automate your entire content calendar. I accidentally lost a lot of records, so these are the records I have left. I accidentally deleted all my records last night, so I used to have 10 a day. I'm so sad. Oh, error on my point, basically. Just go to simpletechskills.com, basically, and then book a call. It's super easy. Once you go to here, I'm going to be updating the page right now. Go there. You'll sign up. Just enter your name and email. On the other page is where you can book a call. And you can book a call, and then I can show you how to set up Cam and see how Cam's right for your business. Because Cam has been getting a lot of updates. Let's take a look at, for everyone, this is Cam. Say hi, Cam. Cam is working on a piece of content right now. If we take a look at, because he's basically processing a video right now, so we may have a video done.
Okay, Hollywood just declared war on the latest AI video generator, and honestly, they have good reason to be terrified. Seedance 2.0 dropped last week, and within days.
So, and then we got some B-roll. So he's going through the editing process. Everyone can go take a screenshot, take a screenshot, take a screenshot. Right there, that's the landing page. And then when you sign up, on the other page has the price, the details, everything you want to know about Cam, and then that takes you to book a call. And you get on the calendar, and I can show you how Cam could help you post multiple times a day. Man, I wish I had some more examples right now. I just cleared my cache, but you could post 10 times a day with Cam so that every single week, all of your content goes out, and then you don't have to worry about content, which is like super easy. So let me actually show you how I create content, because I got to create some content. Where can we text you to have information about your program? You can always send me a DM too. If you guys want to like learn AI, just go to the Academy. Oh, and then I'm having also, hold on. We got a lot going on. Actually, also, okay, I'll say it right now. 10,000 likes, and I give you guys the new updated Claude Code Master Workbook that is 74 pages. The previous one that I did earlier was only 47 pages. I have a new one right here. Oh, no, not that. Hold on. Here. We'll just use this. Here, right there, right there. This is the new Claude Code Workbook. This is the new one. There are now 68 pages. Sorry, 68, not 70. That was the updated one. Then, here's all the things you're going to get. I cover everything that Claude could ever touch. How to get started, your integrated development environment, what are Claude MD files, how to build your first project, how to manage contacts, what are all the different slash commands, what are the different permission modes, what is planning mode and how to use it for advanced builds, how to do sub-agents and agent teams, how to do skills and custom automation scripts, how to do MCP protocol, 10,000 likes, it's yours for free. Chrome DevTools integration, hooks, scaling and deployment, advanced workflows and real-world systems, version control, Git and GitHub, building full stack SaaS applications and deploying them to the web, context automation and social media, Claude projects for non-coders, Claude co-work and desktop automation, and your AI business tech stack. And of course, the last one, you guys know I'm going to plug the Academy. Join the Academy. So this is free. All you guys have to do is get to 10,000 likes, and you get this beautiful if you guys have seen my live streams before, the previous one that I was shown is 47. Oh yeah, I'm just kidding. Come on now. You guys got to get 10,000 likes, Tucker. So 68 pages, everything you ever want to know about it is there. How can I get... so the course is in the Academy. We have the Academy that has the full course on Claude. That's the whole video course. That's inside the Academy. While you guys are racing off, I'm going to see if I can beat you. I don't know if I could beat you. Basically, I'm going to see if I can vibe code a website and then embed this on the website. We're going to see who gets there first, because technically the landing page doesn't exist right now. But watch, in about 7 minutes, it's going to exist on the web. We're going to have a nice little funnel. So I'm working behind the scenes to build the funnel. SimpleTechSkills.com is the website for, that's just the general website. So this is going to be for the workbook. SimpleTechSkills.com. It's just my link in my bio. Basically, you want to go there for Cam Tucker. Go to Simple Tech Skills, click sign in from the form. Basically, it gets you into my email sequence, and then from there you can see the landing page, and then also you can see the calendar to book and the price and all the details of Cam. If you want to do it for Cam as a service or Cam done for you, either or, really doesn't matter. Oh, you guys are moving quick, halfway there. I'm working on the form in Kit right now, 0.4 lead magnet. Claude, and then we're going to save. I don't think I have much of a, do I have a thank you page? No. Okay, not much of a thank you page, but this will do for now. This will do, very simple. Save and publish, and then let me embed, and then copy, give this to Claude. Hey Claude, this is the form for the lead magnet book, so I want you to go and add that to the page, please. And then when they fill out the form, actually, yeah, just redirect them to the thank you page that's there for right now. Cool. When you get on my email sequence, every 4 days I send you a AI video on YouTube for free so that you could go learn AI. So if you're on my email sequence, every 4 days I just send you AI tips that you can learn. It's one video. My videos are like sometimes 10-20 minutes of like stuff you want to do. Okay, so I got the form. I'm building it in Kit. This is also marketing. I'm also teaching you guys somewhat. I'm building a form in Kit so that I can build an automated email sequence for this, so that I can basically, I need to build one quick sequence to send you guys the lead magnet. Actually, Kit Allo does that already, so let me just add that already. That way you guys, nah, I'm gonna send it to you guys in a sequence. That's gonna be easiest. I'll just build a real simple sequence. Oh my God, 5,000 likes. You guys are getting slow. You guys are slowing down. Like, what's up? Like, shoot, actually do slow down because I gotta build this real quick. Shit, okay. So I'm just going to duplicate this. I'm gonna build an email sequence. This is a full, why everyone is coming in for the Claude, yeah. Hey, Recovery and Rise. For everyone, tap that likes. We're getting to 10,000 likes, and I'm giving you a 68-page Claude Code Master. It's everything you could ever ask about Claude Code that you could, about MCPs, APIs, Claude. There's so much that Claude has, especially when you get into like skills and plugins. Those get really interesting, like very, very interesting. I'm like trying to move like real fast. You guys are like, oh, you guys are slowing down. I'm taking the long way too. Don't make me beat you guys. Like, if I have this landing page up, Claude, actually I'm gonna call this the Claude, why am I typing? Claude Code Complete Workbook. Okay, cool. Okay, I'm adding the link right now. Thank you much for subscribing. Here's the link to the Claude Code Workbook. Has all the details necessary for you to succeed with Claude. To get started, inside the community, we have a full Claude Code course. And as a special bonus, over the next 4 days, every 4 days, I'm going to send you a free gift, free AI training delivered right to your inbox. just so you stay up to date with AI. If you're just doing one-on-one coaching or AI training, go ahead and just respond. Just hit reply. And I would love to serve you. Something like that, I guess, or something like that. Okay. Okay, simple. Okay, let me get the book and make it sharing. Hey, for everyone on YouTube, they're like, hey, wait a minute, John. You guys can't see the URL anyways. Doesn't matter. This is the beginner to advanced Claude Code. So there's a lot of people in the MVP. You guys got to give it up for Rob, and Rob's got one of those like keys, like crazy. Okay, I think we're almost there. Thank you for subscribing. Here's the Claude Code card. Click here to access. Okay. Hyperlink. Done. It gets sent out. Oh shoot, that was. Okay, hold on. Shoot, guys are good. Killing me with how fast you guys are moving. One day, here, draft. This becomes immediate. I'm building the funnel so that I can send it to you at the end right now instantly. Okay, it's on. Claude Code workbook. Here's the workbook. Here's the link. Done. Save. There's nothing else in there. Cool. That's the, okay, rename this. There was 0.3 Claude Code lead magnet. You guys gotta build a lead magnet. Damn, 9.9 thousand. Damn, slow down. Okay, Claude has the form. I just have to set up the automation. Dang, 10,000. Hands off the keyboard. Hands off the keyboard. Time up. I was too slow. Slow. Even with AI, you guys made it. But don't worry. I'm going to give you guys, keep continuing. I'm going to work on the book right now. We're like 5 minutes away from the book being finished, like to give you guys the funnel for me to give you guys the book this easiest. So you guys did that. At 10,000 or 20,000 likes, ready? You get a free Claude Code course. You started with the book. Now, if you want the course, free, 20,000 likes. We're going to be here for a while, so no pressure, no worry. We got 5 minutes until the workbook is almost done. I'm working as quickly as I can as well, too, because you guys are moving so fast. At the end of the day, I want you guys to learn as much about Claude. And I put this workbook together because, like, there's a lot that Claude offers that I didn't realize. Like, Claude has a lot of really cool things and this has everything you could want to know about Claude in one thing. Cowork, Claude Code, vibe coding. Okay, so now I'm just building, and then I build the automation in KIT for the email. Thank you so much. Rob and Moon are like, Moonlight are like, or tag. They're like, you guys don't want a free course? Like, come on, yo, we're getting a free course, yo. He's already giving away a free book. Okay, almost there. AI, Claude. We want, when they come in from Claude Code form. No, that's not it. Cleed. Okay. So when you come in, tag there, and then I just need to add, remove, delete action. It's interesting when you do like some of these automations. Now I'm going to add you to the email sequence so you get all cool free tips every 4 days. You could cancel, like Claude there. And then once that's done, then I want you to go into the main sequence. That's the one that has all the goodies, so new leads there. Okay, I think I set it up right. AI leads, lead magnet there. That all looks good. Let me turn this on. And now I can move to the website, which is being vibe coded with Claude Code. It's another thing, is Claude Code is vibe coding the website right now. Okay, he finished. So, the placeholder div is going to replace this, redirect access, as a best bonus, Okay, where's the landing page, good sir? Claude Code workbook. I'm looking for, let's see what did Claude built a website in the time we were talking, like while we were talking, basically. Oh, I would love to add an image to it. Master Claude AI from zero to full AI business, the complete hands-on workbook covering every feature of Claude, beginner to basic, all the way full stack, apps, automating content, and launching a profitable business. And it's 100% free. And all of the things, there's 22 modules. You're going to learn everything from getting started, building your first project, what are IDEs, what are context managers. This is free. This is free. Like, this is free. Claude MD file / command, Claude, all of this. By the end of this workbook, you will be able to use Claude like a senior developer. You will be able to set up MCP, create custom AI agents, use plan mode and sub agents, build and deploy real apps, automate your content pipeline, build an AI business tech stack, and go from beginner to advanced. That is this workbook, basically, that I'm giving you guys. That's 76, 78 pages of everything you could want from Claude. Look at all of these things. Gain start ID, Claude, that, your context. I need to go through some of the / commands to update myself from there. Moonlight Weaver is like, you guys are crazy for not wanting this. This is like, why isn't like Moonweaver and Didi are like they're like, you don't want this full book? All of this to know how to do hooks and MCPs and full stack and scaling, and then your AI business tech stack, why you want to use Claude Cowork and desktop. Oh yeah, that's an interesting one. Okay, so I'm almost done. So now I'm going to take this, and then we have the landing page. Let me just test it out to make sure it works. Jonathan. And then when you test it, takes you to a thank you page. Okay, it's just a thank you page. Cool. It sends it to your email. So if you are those people who are like, I'm going to put in a fake email, you'll never get the workbook. So doesn't work like that where it's like, no, sorry, you actually got to put in a good email, because I want to send you free gifts every 4 days so you stay up to date with AI. This is just one of many free gifts. And if you like free gifts, I give away tons of free gifts. Okay, because I want you guys to succeed with AI. Come on now. Okay, I think we have, now it's time for me to put this on the web. So Claude did the website. I think I could go a little bonus. Let's go GenSpark. Let's go a little fancy, and let's make a workbook, like an actual book, like an actual image of the mockup, because that would just make it 10 out of 10. Because if you're going to build a lead magnet, 1, make it a book, and then 2, make it look like an actual mockup. And you could use Nano Banana Pro to create product mockups. Super easy. I want you to create a book mockup of this Claude Code Masterclass. I'm going to put the logo of Claude, and so this is on the table, professional, nice thick book. It's a masterclass book, and the title is Claude. What is the title? The complete Claude workbook, Claude Code workbook. The complete Claude Code workbook. And then put simple tech skills at the very bottom and put beginner to advanced. That's like super weird. Okay, I'm going to make that as, we're almost there, 20,000. You guys unlock the course and the book. You guys get a Claude Code course, and you get the full 68-page for free. For free. Like, congratulations. You guys worked hard. You guys put in the work. Now I'm slacking because I'm behind, because I got to host a website and get all this automation all set up like on the back end. But I want to make it like, but I'm also showing the process of like how to build a lead magnet funnel, because every business needs a lead magnet funnel. If you don't have a lead magnet funnel, you are missing out. Claude logo. I'm just getting the logo for Claude, so I'm gonna show you this images. I'm gonna show you, yeah, we'll just take this and then copy, because we're gonna, and then I want this in a square image 1-to-1. That looks good. And then don't auto prompt or fix my prompt, and use Nano Banana Pro. Okay, so basically the website's done. I'm going to show you hosting wise. We're going to learn a little about Claude, what we're doing right now. I'm in GenSpark. GenSpark gives me Nano Banana, and Nano Banana is going to create a nice book mockup. And then we're going to, this is Claude. Say hi, Claude, in VS Code. Don't get intimidated. Claude Code is very easy to use. He's already built the amazing website. There he is. He's like, look, I built the website. Congratulations. So we know what the website looks like. You go right click, reveal. So that's the way. The only thing that's missing is a book. I want a book right here. I want a book. And then we can make it live. Right now it only exists on my computer, so we want to make it live. So I'm showing you guys the process of that too, so that you guys can see, oh, it could do better. It can do a lot better of, I am not happy with that. We're gonna copy this and paste, and then we're gonna enhance prompt, and then one, and then get the image. Oh shoot, here, hold on, here. Okay, where do we have the image of Claude? Copy. The thing with generative AI is that I'm gonna create. It's a professional, it's a expensive gold and black. This is why you hire marketers. Professional thick book. Title is The Complete Claude Code, C-L-A-U-D, L-A-U-D. Simple text skills, that's all. So actually what happened was my prompt sucked. My voice to text prompt was horrible, and I'm like, the thing with it, generative AI, is you're gonna generate like 3 mistakes for every perfect one. So because we want a very nice professional image here, so when you load the page, you go, I want, give me that. And so he's working on a brand new, and then once I have that, that's the last thing I'm going to give to Claude, and then he can add it. Oh, Jesus. See what prompting does? Before, after. Before, after. I mean, it's not bad. I'll take it for now. That's good enough for now. I could. It's just something quick and fast. Okay, cool. Now you just call it book, and then you put it in your image folder. Put it in your image folder. See, book, image folder, images, book, very importante. And then you tell Claude, hey Claude, in the images folder is the book mockup. Put a nice edge around it, and then put it on the page. It's an actual mockup of the book. Nice voice to text. Love me some voice to text. It's coming soon. It's manifesting in real time. We're almost there, so that, because this is like how you guys make lead magnets that look amazing, that people want to give you their email for, so that you can build a email automation sequence so that you could follow up with people forever and give them value, so that one day, 6 months from now, when they're like, shoot, I have to learn AI, and then your email comes in and you're like, oh, Dr. AI still teaches AI, and he's having a workshop this Saturday. Actually, I am having a workshop this Saturday. To promote learning Claude Code. I just want you guys to learn Claude Code. That's all. That's all. I just want to see. So the book is almost. So right now he is. He's got the book. We got the automation built, and now I just have to go on and log in and host the web, and then give you guys a link. It's that easy. It is that easy. I think I'll give it to you guys as a bit.ly, like a link shortener, basically. And we're going to make this one a quick workshop here. So no folder. This is going to be /Claude. And in that folder, we have a new folder called images. And in that folder, we have the book. This is basically copy pasting to put it in on the web so that you guys can see. I just need 2 hands for this, kind of. I'm almost done. And thank you for all your patience, too. Because this is... Come on. Maybe I upload. Oh, I gotta like reveal in Finder, and then I gotta like move it where it's all drag and drop. Almost done. Almost done. New file. It's an index.html. I teach you guys all this on like how to build websites and stuff inside the community. There. All right, we are almost there. Move. Okay, cancel. And now I just need to paste the HTML code right now. Claude is finishing the HTML page. He's adding the image of our beautiful book mockup that we created. And then we'll have a web page that literally didn't exist 25 minutes ago. Like this image didn't exist 25 minutes ago. The landing page didn't exist 25 minutes ago. And all of that lead magnet funnel is going to be done in 25 minutes. So when you talk to marketers or you look at your marketing, if it's taking longer than like an hour or a day to like build your website, something's wrong. Someone needs to be vibe coded or vibe coding. All right, he's done with the website. Let me show you how easy this is to do the website. Because you guys got to learn. You have your website. It has a file manager. Inside, you have an index file. You just paste the code there. So we're going to go Claude, that's the file. That's the code. Don't freak out. Don't freak out. There's nothing. It's just code. You're just copying. There's nothing. Don't freak out. You're just copy pasting. If you could copy paste, you can do what I do. And then paste. See, just paste the code. Where's the save button? Command S, it is saving. Okay, so technically that now exists on the web. Okay, so let's check it out. Commission nope. And then Claude. Sorry. Oh, snap. Oh, snap. It could be a lot better. I mean, it looks great on mobile. Don't get me wrong. Looks great on mobile. I'll fix the rest of it later. Let's give it to the people for right now. Okay. There you go. Take a screenshot. Done. Take a screenshot, take a screenshot, take a screenshot. That's step 1 of 2. You guys also won a Claude Code course too. You won it. So take a screenshot. That's the full workbook. Look at that dope workbook. I'm gonna make it look like that. So that way you know what you're getting. Everyone got it? Put a yes in the chat if you got it. Yes, yes, yes. Making sure. Looking good. Okay. So now you guys unlocked also. You guys worked hard for it. Like, you worked super hard for it. Okay. Now, let me guys, your second prize, because that was just the 10,000 like prize. Now, your second prize, which is the 20,000 like prize, that one is here. Yes, it's on my YouTube channel. If you're not following, that's where there's a ton of free goodies there. So take a screenshot, take a screenshot, take a screenshot there. Nice, because check this out. There is your Claude Code course. Take a screenshot, take a screenshot, take a screenshot. That's what you want to learn. Take time this week or this weekend, and that's the course that you want to go through. That's your course, and that is your workbook. I'm going to ask him to do a little better on like the fix that kind of thing. And don't get me wrong, mobile looks great, but I would like, I need to make it a JPEG too. Hey Claude, I want you just to improve the image of it. Right now it's like kind of small, and then you can see on like desktop, kind of want to expand too. That would be great. Please, thank you. And then that'll fix it. Okay, so he's gonna fix that so that that looks a lot more prominent. Like, because we put so much hard work into all of that, Claude. Like this whole workbook. Because there's a ton of stuff in here. Like there's a lot of stuff, especially I want to get into more about the Claude MD file. That one has a ton of really good stuff in there. And it's all broken out for the non-tech users. So if you have no skills, this will go through a lot of the ways, plus it has exercises. It tells you exactly how to teaches you a lesson, and then there's exercises at the very bottom that you could practice. What is an IDE? All very easy so that when you can talk to people, you can sound a lot smarter than them, because when they talk about vibe coding, you can say, oh, what IDE are you using? Oh, are you using Cursor or VS Code? They're going to be like, what? How do you know these? How do you know these keywords? And it's because you watch Dr. AI. And then it goes into the Claude MD file. Why are people talking about this one file, and why is it so important? It is the single highest leverage thing you can do to improve the quality and consistency of Claude's output. Knowing about this magical Claude MD file. There's a lot of goodies in here. Building your first project. 3 approaches to web design with Claude Code. Ooh, that's going to be a good one. And then we have context management. This is one of the biggest things like right now. Understanding tokens versus words. MCP, memory files, what are messages, system tools. Oh, the auto compact feature in Claude. What does it do? Why is it important? How can you invoke it when you need to? Because it's actually there to help you. How to improve your prompting. All of these commands are like super helpful too. These are all your commands you can run inside Claude. Understanding permissions, save, nice. Yeah, oh, these are all the little permission stuff. You know, this stuff right here. That's this stuff right here. Right there. That's that stuff right there. So that you know all of the different features that Claude Code offers. Plan mode is so important. How he actually creates a plan. Some safety practices in here. Planning mode has a whole section in here. Yeah, I'm going to learn a ton of stuff. Ooh, subagents. Subagents are like the most important right now. It's like, how do you create subagents? How do you automate them? How do you get Claude to spawn, which is so wild, subagents so that you could take a task, get it done in half the time in parallel? It's like a single assistant to coordinate teams. Yes, Claude has agent teams now. Retrieving the results. There's a lot of very interesting things that Claude offers. Custom automation scripts. What? Custom automation scripts inside Claude? Tell me more. What are skills here? And why are skills the most elegant feature in Claude? And the ones that most users discover only after they've been frustrated by the token cost of MCP tools. Skills in plain text are a plain text file that contain a description of a task or instruction for how Claude should implement it. So if you guys have worked with custom GPTs, very, very similar, but you can think of it as a saved workflow. And then you understand your skills versus MCP. They're not the same. They're different, especially when it comes to the token cost. So if you're burning a ton of tokens for your Claude instance, and you're like, why am I burning so many tokens? This book has the answer. And then what else? How skills get loaded. 30,000. Oh, I'm going to give you guys another gift. Okay, I got you guys. I got you. I'm going to give you guys something very special then. I'm going to give you guys, because we made it to 30,000 likes, the GitHub file for a board of advisors wrapper. It's an AI tool that basically functions exactly like ChatGPT or GenSpark, but you submit a question and it goes to multiple large language models. They all answer, and then it gets summarized by a CEO large language model, so that you can practice building wrappers or apps that hook up to AI underneath the hood. Then it also teaches you MCP. Well, no, it teaches you more how to set up RAG so you can upload it with your own knowledge. It's basically a light version of ChatGPT. And then it's the whole source file. So you guys, for 30,000 likes, you've unlocked it for free. Every 10,000 likes, I got a free gift. Every 10,000, I'm going to run out after about 80,000 likes. I'm going to think about, like, what do I have at 8? So we're going to go to here. I have many. So get ready to take a screenshot. This is a free GitHub file that has the whole project ready to go. You just download and set it up in Claude. You just hook up your own API keys, basically. And it will teach you RAG, how to build a ChatGPT wrapper, how to set up OpenRouter, how to talk to multiple large language models at the same time, so that when you're vibe coding, you've got a good vibe coding tip right here. Or basically, it's a good way to vibe code a large language model so that you can build your own ChatGPT tool to customize it any way you want. Guys, ready? You guys got to get ready to take a screenshot. This is the URL. So ready? 3, 2, 1, boom. That's it right there. Take a screenshot. It's completely free. There's no opt-in. That gets you access to the board of advisors GitHub. So this is actually a really interesting project. It teaches you, one, how to build a multimodal AI board where each advisor uses different open models using a service called OpenRouter. OpenRouter, if you don't know, is just a service where you can access many different large language models from it. Then you can customize things like names, roles, models, such as here. You can customize the roles. Do you want Victoria, Marcus, Sophia? Are they CFO, CTO, CMO, or a different role or title? You can change what models are underneath the hood. Are you using Gemini, Claude, Llama? And then you can specialize their focus. Do you want them focused on finance, or do you want them focused on technical? So that when you submit a question, it will go through each of the roles and each of the models, and the CEO will take all of their answers and summarize them and give you a response. That's what this basically is, a GitHub project to get you into vibe coding. So take a screenshot. That's the next thing that you unlocked at 30,000 likes. Nice. Everyone got it? Say yes if you got it. This will teach you vibe coding, which is a real fun project. Give it to Claude and then ask Claude to help you set up. You just need an API key from OpenRouter. And then for everyone else that's just coming in, here is Claude Code Workbook. First off, there you go. For some people that came in late just right now. Speaking of which, you guys are late for class. This is a 76, 78 page document that shows everything about Claude Code, and I'm giving this away for free. So if you've ever wanted to know everything about Claude Code, the different files, skills, plan modes, subagents, hooks, scaling, advanced version control, building full stack apps, complete content automation and social media, hint, co-work and desktop. This, you're going to go to here. Take a screenshot. That's where you can go to get the book, which, speaking of which, I need him to update the book. So that's the full Claude Code Bible, we should say. The Claude Bible is actually what we should call it. Did you get the Claude Bible? You should get the Claude Bible. Has everything you need about Claude. Then, AIMTech. No, you're late. Late for class. Live stream started. Oh, guys are slacking. Late. We are here jamming. This is a free Claude Code workbook for beginners to advanced, and it goes through every feature that people are talking about Claude Code and why it's so important. So this is free. If you didn't get the link for this, let me know, because it goes through everything that you can have here, and it's all free. So all 76, how many pages? 76 pages. So that is there. Congratulations, you guys, that. How do you keep it updated? AI. I use AI to write it. I use AI to read it. This isn't like, hey, go to ChatGPT. This isn't go to Claude and, hey, Claude, write me a book of of it. That's not. It's like, this is the summary of how we've been teaching Claude in the community. Here we go. That's the link to the book right there. Take a screenshot, take a screenshot, take a screenshot. No, it's even more than release notes. It's just more of actual use cases, because who cares about that part? We actually want to know how to use it. Yep, name and email, and then you can get this book sent to your email. It's sent to your email. It's not on the thank you page. So that's why it's like, don't put a fake email. You don't get the book. So that's this whole thing right here. Because there's a ton of stuff that Claude has been updating to try and stay up to date with all the different things. You have components from the agent team concept. A little. That's new stuff. So this is enough just to make you dangerous, because we want to get you to the point where you're working with using Claude in your business and then also building full stack apps. That's the main thing that I want you to get to. Once you get to building full stack apps, and then you're also using Claude, just regular Claude in your business, you're in a very good place. And then start building out your skills, Claude skills, add a couple MCPs, add a couple APIs on top of that. We've been talking about Open Router as well too. So this has a ton of stuff in it. So much. Nice. And now, Claude, let's see. This weekend, I'm hosting a Claude Code workshop to actually teach you guys hands-on how to build websites. And let's see, gotta put agent team in there with work stealing works in kind of a whole real estate business in there. Which ones to put agent team? I think we have agent teams in here. Yeah, we have agent teams in here. Yeah, we have all agent teams and sub teams, all that. Have it in the book. Boom. Module 9. What are sub agents and agent teams? What do you need them? How to use them? And what are exercises? How to spawn them? How to retrieve them? How to do the reviewer pattern? How to do QA and testing? All the different features for the agent team, work tree. For the module 18 is the tool like Cam. So actually, this doesn't talk about Cam, believe it or not, surprisingly. I know, shameless plug, shameless opportunity for me not to talk about content automation. Actually, content automation, there's nothing in here that talks about Cam. Because Cam, for everyone, this is Cam. Cam's totally separate. Cam is its own SaaS software in and of itself. It's its own business kind of thing. So this is Cam, my content automation app. He creates content right now. He's working on some content in the background, which is nice. He creates my AI avatar.
Hollywood is freaking out about a new AI video generator called Cdance 2.0. And honestly, they should be. This thing can create movie quality scenes in minutes. But here's where it gets messy. Studios are claiming it's straight up copyright infringement.
You know what terrifies me is like how it does the reflection on the mirror on my glasses. I'm like, that is so wild. Anyways, so it takes your avatar, could be you or someone else, gets them on camera, and then they can basically, you pump in a piece of content, 10 minutes later, I mean, you can get carousels from here. Actually, hold on, we were updating the carousels. There we go. So it will automatically generate carousels based on whatever the topic that you're talking about. And then he will generate content. That's one. Let me show you guys. Let's do the CEO. This was a CEO we cloned last week. So if basically it works great if you're a founder, a professional, and you know you need to create short form content, but you don't have the time, that's what Canva's for. Cam will clone you so that you could post 120 times a month, or you could post 10 times a day, and you never have to film content ever again.
Program. This isn't some referral scheme you get. What if I told you there's a $400 billion market where you can own territory instead of chasing one-time commissions? Would you believe it's possible? I'm talking about PeopleWorks Business Partner Program. This isn't some referral scheme. You get protected territory, proven workforce technology, and full support while building recurring revenue. Here's the crazy part. Partners typically see payback in 2 to 6 months, with year one returns over 150%. You sell the platform, they handle delivery, you collect monthly. If you want a real business, not a side hustle, comment and partner, and I'll send the discovery call link.
That's Cam. Cam is completely separate. So Cam is a tool that you could use in your business. You upload your avatar, or basically we help you clone. You can load as many avatars as you want. If you're on the agency plan, you get unlimited. If you're on the business plan, you only get one avatar. You could unlock more if you want to. So it could be you or anyone else. They could be real or they could be fake. And then basically what the system does is it builds a full digital clone that then gets used for your content. And it shows up on camera, talks like you, looks like you. I don't know, costs roughly $5 a video, give or take, to generate.
Hollywood is freaking out about a new AI video generator called Cdance 2.0. And honestly, they should be. This thing can create.
You know it's so good when the algorithm puts the the TikTok stuff on your AI avatar. That's funny.
Movie quality scenes in minutes. But here's where it gets messy. Studios are claiming it's straight up copyright infringement because the AI learned by watching their films. Think about it. Every movie scene.
So, and then it does captions, it does B-roll, it will schedule. This is my favorite feature. So it will publish across all social platforms, all of them, and roughly $5 a video. Yes, that's roughly the budget that you want to budget, is like $5 a video. But in like reality, like carousels are like 50 cents. Some things are like $2, like depending on, it really depends on like what videos you're generating. Play.
New to industry, no audience, no reputation, but they understood volume beats perfection. Posted 3x daily across every platform.
This is the old one. The new one puts your avatar in the B-roll. I actually have to go to TikTok for this. I actually have to go to my TikTok. We are talking about automating your content so your avatar gets on camera and you never have to schedule or film ever again.
3 things about the new GLM-5 AI model that will blow your mind, and the last one is going to change everything about how we build AI systems. First, this thing is massive. We're talking 744 billion parameters.
You guys unlocked a new prize at 40,000.
That's more than double the size of most models out there right now. Second, it's designed specifically for complex engineering tasks and long-term AI agents. Think systems that can...
So you press 4 buttons and content comes out like this every 10 minutes and costs $5, roughly. Dang, I'm going to give you guys a new gift pretty soon. Okay, I will give you guys a gift in just 5 seconds.
Actually plan and execute multi-step projects. But here's the third thing that nobody's talking about yet. They built a completely new training infrastructure called Slime that makes the whole system.
So I publish multiple times a day across all social media channels, and I have none of these I've filmed for. I have not filmed any of these content. All of this is now just my avatar pumping out content so that I could spend more time with clients doing cool stuff like vibe coding, basically. Yeah. And then it allows you to manage your calendar so that you can see all of your posts, when are posts getting scheduled into the future. And then you could get kind of crazy where you can choose how often you would like to post. Once a day, twice a day, 3 times a day, or you could go crazy like me, like 10 times a day. That's pretty insane. That is basically Cam that you can set up for your business. Just go, that's the link. Ignore this right there. That's the link right here. That won't get you anywhere technically. So simpletechskills.com, that's where you can sign up for Cam and then get Cam for your business. We're already using them for like marketing agencies. And you guys got 40,000 likes, so I got to give you guys a new price. Every 10,000 likes, I give you guys a new price. Let me see. I already give you guys a GitHub file. I gave you guys the book. I'll give you guys something secret. Okay. Let me go into my treasure chest here. I've got lots of gifts. Let me go into my little treasure chest. This is in the community. We have a vault that has a ton of everything. And okay, this one you're going to like. This is the complete AI roadmap. I'm going to give you guys this one. This one, open in a new tab. Okay, perfect. Here's the new one. Hello from Spain. Hola, me llamo Jonathan. Hola, Ana. We are learning about AI. Oh my gosh, we got the whole East Coast. Oh my gosh. Okay. Actually, hold on. Let me give me 2 seconds. Let me actually give you guys a link, a short link. That way you guys can just copy the short link. It'll be much easier. Hold on. Give me one. Let me go short IO. And then let me paste this and call this I'm gonna call this roadmap. Let's do that and save. Okay, copy. I kind of wish it would brand it, but I guess I'm out of branded links. Oh, I only get 2 branded ones? Is that it? Oh, I could delete some. No one cares about that one. I gotta delete some of these anyways. That way I could use a branded link. There we go, branded link. And then I could call this roadmap and then save. And now I could give you this link. Because that way it's much easier. Okay, let me test it. Okay, it works. Here's the link. All right, because every 10,000 likes, I give you guys a free gift. Just for hitting that like button. I appreciate it. We got some MVPs. Let's be honest. Moonlight and DD, like, you guys are the real MVP of like Let's call you guys as really the MVPs here. Okay. What you're gonna get for free is this. My AI consultant certification roadmap. Why is this important? Every 90 days, I update this master roadmap as the one master document to know everything in AI. How to go from beginner to super advanced expert. What are all the AI tools in order? And I'm talking like, this isn't your ChatGPT prompts too. This is like how to build a personal AI assistant, how to automate your marketing, how to automate your sales, how to automate all of your workflows. This isn't the ChatGPT prompts. No. This is what I charge and sell to my clients that want to learn. And we start you literally, I just want to ruffle a bunch of feathers right now. We start you on your hardware, your computer. If you have a PC or Windows, you will not survive AI. Like, forget it. Just close up shop, go take a long vacation. Like, nothing's going to help you. You need a Mac before you start playing with all the tools. We don't coach you in the community in the certification program. If you're on a Windows, you're not allowed. You're not allowed in. Like, that's how bad, like, we don't, like, no, go away. Like, you have to have a foundation, and then you have to work through because of time. The time it takes to coach someone on a Windows device, forget about it, versus someone on a Mac, you guys can move 10 times faster. So And then it goes through. So this goes through all of the fun stuff. Surprisingly enough, here's something interesting. We don't teach. I have to bring out my cool pen. We don't teach NaN anymore, which is like wild. C, you definitely want to dump your Windows and definitely get a MacBook Air or a MacBook. They have the Puck, the minis. They're like $300. Get one of those, and that's all you need. Trust, it's going to save you so much time. You can't install Clawbot on a Windows device. Like, you can't even play with all the cool stuff. Like, you're completely excluded from the AI community if you have Windows. That's where it's like, get on a Mac, you could play with Clawbot and all the fun stuff that we're playing with. Yeah, this is sad. This is already outdated. That's why I update this every 90 days, because this is already obsolete. We don't teach NaN anymore. We don't even teach ChatGPT anymore. That's how fast things move. Okay. Yeah, get a $300 puck and you're good there. Hold on. TikTok suddenly thinks that this is an inactive live. Okay, let me show you guys, because then we need to get you to this part. We need to get you into hosting your own server, hosting your own website, so you could pay for your website. That's like $3 a month. Hosting your own infrastructure, building your own app, so you could cut your SaaS subscriptions. Teaching you how to monetize, because right now people are monetized building micro SaaS. Let me 5 seconds. Let me just spit on this for 5 seconds. That came out horrible. Micro SaaS is very important. You're learning Claude to learn how to vibe code, to learn how to build applications, like full software applications, learn how to integrate or add AI to your apps, and then sell micro SaaS. Micro SaaS is the most lucrative business that you could start without selling your time, without selling a course, without selling a community that also is your time. Like, the highest value that you could sell as an item right now is vibe coding a micro SaaS tool. Now, a lot of people, just because, let me give you guys the link to that workbook too, just because you guys earned this. That's the link to it right there. So take a screenshot, take a screenshot, take a screenshot, take a screenshot. Boom, 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 boom. Everyone got it? If you got it, say yes. If you didn't, say not yet. Take a screenshot. Oh, it's this link right here. That's the URL right there. Sorry. Right there. Everyone got it? Screenshot, screenshot, screenshot. Nice, nice, nice. This is like the most, I'm in 1 more month, I'm going to be updating this and coming out with the new version. If you guys scroll to the very bottom, this is like the main TLDR. Just go to the last page. That is like the TLDR. This, you guys could take a screenshot. I'm gonna hold it very steady, so you guys could take a screenshot, take a screenshot, take a screenshot. These are my recommended John tech stack. If it is not on this list, do not buy it. Do not, even down to even your Windows computer. Get at least 32 gigabytes of RAM you need now. It's kind of crazy. It's like how things move so fast. Wild. Update to Kimi? Yeah, it's definitely got to update to Kimi. Kimi's not on here. Railway is also up here. Claude sub-agents and agents wasn't around when we built this, so we got to add Claude agents to it. Alfred's going to get replaced with basically, what's it called? Rail? No. I'm having a senior moment right now. Raycast. Sorry, senior moment. Sorry. There we go. So, Alfred's going to get replaced with Raycast. We don't use Cider anymore. Notion still go too. GenSpark is like, if you do a lot of office work, GenSpark is still relevant, but I've already kind of cutting GenSpark from there. We don't teach ChatGPT, that's gone. Claude has now moved up as far as the priority for all he does. Gemini's still great. Like, there's still a lot of use cases for Gemini. I mean, he's free, powerful. There's a ton of use cases that you can't do with Claude that you need to move to Gemini. So it's more of what I'm showing here is not to say that you need one tool to rule them all. Sure, if you can pay for just one subscription, just go for Claude, basically. Hostinger is where we're all hosting our websites, basically. So anything website. If it's an app, we're hosting that on Railway. Railway is easier than Vercel or Netlify. It's just much easier. GitHub is free. VS Code. VS Code or Cursor really doesn't matter. Some people like Cursor. Some people like VS Code. I'm trying to push everyone on VS Code. Canva is still relevant. NaN is no longer relevant. Anything other than complex stuff. That's where it's like, he's really good for just like basic, simple, like self-hosted, cut the Zapier subscription, basically. Replit, I mean, honestly, Claude Code is basically the whole thing. Divorce lawyers, nice to meet you. Divorce lawyers, you would love Claude. You should get your whole law practice on Claude. And Cowork, Claude Cowork, oh, for sure. Like, that's a really great one. HeyGen is still the gold standard for AI avatars. I mean, that's what we use for our. This is HeyGen, basically.
What if I told you there's a $400 billion market where you can own territory instead of chasing one-time commissions? Would you believe it's possible?
So, and then you could clone yourself as well, too.
Hollywood is freaking out about a new AI video generator called Cdance 2.0. And honestly, they should be. This thing can create movie quality scenes. And
now, the voice is not HeyGen. That's a key thing. HeyGen's voice cloning sucks, honestly. You actually want to use fish.audio. If you guys want that website, just comment audio, and I'll get you that website. So that's why we're still using HeyGen. Go high level. I mean, if part of your sales process is managing a CRM, appointments, and you have a longer sales cycle, then for sure Go high level is still relevant as far as your infrastructure. You're just not going to build the website in Go high level. You're actually going to vibe code the website in Claude. Dang, I just gave you guys this gift. You guys are already on the next one. Okay, so this is the roadmap. I update this every 90 days. This is what I teach in my certification program. This is like the most up to date of like, how do you start from beginner AI where you're like, I don't know, I've never used AI before, to, oh my God, I could vibe code apps and I could cut all my subscriptions. So that's this website. So take a screenshot. I'm going to give you guys another present in a moment. So there we go. So take a screenshot, 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 take a screenshot. Everyone got it? Say yes. Yes in the chat if you got it. No if you don't. Yes, you got it. No, you don't. So take that screenshot. That is the full roadmap. And I'm going to have to update that in like 30 days, which is kind of interesting. Okay. Now that you guys unlocked 50,000 likes, I didn't realize how fast this will go. I'm going to give you guys another prize. You guys already earned it. Of every 10,000 likes, if you're brand new, every 10,000 likes, I give you guys a free gift. We've already given away a Claude Code workbook. If you guys, we have 87 people. If you've missed the Claude Code workbook, type Claude down below and we'll get you that workbook. That's 68 pages of everything you can want to know about Claude Code. All of this is free, all for free. And then at 20,000 likes, we did a Claude course. So that is a free Claude course that you guys unlocked at 20,000 likes. I'm just getting all the people that are just caught up. They've been missing the whole, like, we've been giving away a ton every 10,000 likes too. So we have a lot. I'm actually have to write down these likes too, or these prizes too. And then you guys unlocked a 50,000 prize. So I would get you the 50,000 prize in a moment. The first one I'm going to give you guys is the workbook too first. So let me get you guys that workbook, because you guys are crushing it on the likes. Like, let's keep it going. I'm gonna end up giving you guys full access to the community pretty soon. Okay, this website gets the Claude Code workbook. Let me show you what the workbook is. You got to give it up for everyone here to Moonlight Weaver and DD in the comments. They have been tapping that. They have been like 5 fingers. They're just like spamming. They're like, get those likes, people. Like, whatever it takes. That's why we're at 50,000 likes. Is because amazing people like Moonlight Weaver, DD, and each and every one of you amazing people that are tapping along together. You guys all unlock this. So let me show you guys what you won completely for free. Here we go. All right. First, let me show you the image. Hold on. I gotta show you the cover first. Like, come on now. That's the cover to the book that you're getting. This is why you want to learn Notebook, or this is Nano Banana Pro. This is Nano Banana Pro for creating mockups, just because also from a marketing point of view, you want to create a mockup of whatever your lead magnet is, because let's be honest, Google Docs are just Google Docs. But if you add a mockup, DD, MVP, I'm going to pin you, and then Moonlight River, I'm going to pin you next. Didi and Moonlight River, both of you are amazing. Enjoy your gifts. We will have more gifts and more live streams coming together. You guys crushed it. Okay, so this is that. That's what you get right here. And this is the table of contents, just to kind of show you everything you get inside this workbook. First one, it is, hold on. It is 68 pages of goodness all in there. There's no fluff. And now you're going to know everything about how to get started with Claude, what are IDEs or integrated development environments. Don't worry if anything sounds like Chinese. That's what this book or guide is supposed to do. It is supposed to answer every Claude question that you have so that you can sound smart next to people. 60,000 likes. Okay, I owe you 2 gifts. One for 50,000 likes and one for 60,000 likes. So we're at 2 gifts. Make me, Jesus. All right, I'm gonna have to go all out now. Context management, slash commands, permission modes, plan modes, sub agents, agent teams, Claude Cowork for desktop automations, your business AI text app, and of course, shameless plug for Join the Community. You guys get this for free. This one is at this link right here. Take a screenshot, take a screenshot, take a screenshot. This is the only one that actually requires an actual email. So take a screenshot on the thing, and then once you sign up, it's going to get sent to your email. It's not on the thank you page, sent to your email. So I want to make sure. Okay, so I owe you guys 2 likes or two gifts. So give me one moment. I got to prepare the second gift. This is pretty much just AI Santa Claus. That's free. It's all free. As soon as you sign up, it's going to send you an email, and it says, because I'm not going to just put it on the thank you page, because then some people don't put emails, and I'm like, how can I stay in touch with you? I want to give you every 4 days a free AI late training lesson, all for free. So, okay. I have to go to the vaults. And I have to list out a lot of these really cool gifts that we've given. This is actually really cool. Okay, let me go. This is the vault. I've given you guys the certification. You guys, or at least you guys got the roadmap. So let me go to. Ooh, I have some goodies actually for you. Let's see it again. Oh yeah, I'll show you guys. I got you. I will show all the links again. Okay, we're gonna go to the Community Treasure Vault. Damn. Oh, we got 4. I shouldn't do this. Should I? I shouldn't do this. Oh. Okay. Yeah. This is okay. Done. Let me give you guys this. I don't play. Yeah. I'm only going to show this once. Shh. You have to promise not to tell the 100 people on this live stream, and you have to promise not to share. That's how good this is, right? This is going to combine the last 3 gifts because I'm behind on my gifts, and so you guys are jamming on this. So I'm like, let me just combine all 3 into the best mega gift that I could give you guys. All right, I think the coast is clear. I'm going to give you guys the whole Alex Hormozi book series, playbooks, everything that he was offering from the webinar, from the live stream. Remember that big event and all the playbooks and all of that, all of the Alex Hormozi books and everything? I'm going to give you guys the whole package. The whole... They may know. Just because you guys made to 77 and I got to combine 3. This is, if you attended that, for some people to know, Alex Hormozi, very famous marketer. This is all of his marketing books, principles, everything. It's going to go quick. And I can only share the link. I'm going to create a bit.ly link right here. Actually, this needs to go... Okay, hold on, because this is like mega. Okay, copy. I'm gonna add it to the email from that we're doing from the book. That's gonna be the easiest. Okay, sequence, new leads. Okay, I'm just gonna add this to the email that goes out, Claude Code. And then I'm going to put here special bonus Alex Hormozi Vault. I'm going to take this down as soon as you guys either get this or not. Okay, I'm going to publish the changes. It's saving. It's saved. Let me show you guys how's it going to work. This is what you guys are like. This will get me at least until like 80,000 likes. Like this is packaging 80,000 likes. Okay. This is the whole series, everything you see here, plus, hold on, because I gotta like be super like, you get all of these guys, right? The models, the book, right? Don't tell Alex. You guys better not tell Alex on me. Come on. Sorry, this is our secret. Okay, hold on. Okay, oops. Hold on, okay, because I want to show you, yeah, this folder. You see what's in this one folder right here? All of these, all of them. That's all in these, right? Same link. Oh, wait, hold on. Let me just show you what you're gonna get. So when you sign up for that email, it is this link right here when you get the welcome email for the Claude Code workbook. So basically that's where it's so that's the link for the vault right there. So when you go here to opt in, that will be the welcome email that you will get. So you're gonna get the Claude Code workbook plus the Alex Hormozi Treasure Vault. Let's be honest, this was $5,000 of a package. You're getting $5,000 right now, or value, plus the Claude for the email. I'm never offering this ever again. Never, ever. It's going in that email. Take that screenshot. As soon as this live is over, I'm taking down that link and access and changing everything. That is the only way to get it. Take a screenshot, and also share. This is a live stream you do want to share with your friends, your entrepreneur friends, your business owner friends. Tell them what I'll hold the gift up too, but basically like tell your friends and share and be like, yo, hey, that friend that's super entrepreneurial that would love this guy named Alex and all the stuff that he talks about. And you could be that cool friend to say, hey, I could get you share. Same link. There you guys go. Man, everyone got it? Put yes in the chat, put a no. If not, I want to make sure everyone gets it. We're not going to leave anyone behind. I want to make sure you guys leave with a ton of value. That's 5K worth of value right there. Jesus, right there. Got a yes, got a not. Oh, not yet. No worries. I got you solutions. Hurry up. I'm going to count down. 10, 9, 8. Once you got it, put a yes in the chat. 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, One, yes. Once you fill it out, the thank you page is the thank you page, but the first email that goes out is there, and that's for people that don't want to put a fake email. If you want to deal with a fake email, go away. Shoo. Haven't got the email? Don't worry, it's going out, and actually, it's going out immediately. So. Got you guys. Don't worry. I'm going to stay on until I want to make sure you guys get that whole package. May your bank account may each of your businesses flourish and become successful and grow is one of the biggest things. What's the masterclass about? The Cloud Code masterclass. Which one, for example? How long does it take? It will take a minute. You need to go to your email to make sure. Check your spam too. It's hello@simpletechskills.com. This is the email that you're looking for. Look for an email that comes from this. There you go. That's the email it's going to come from. Oops. Sorry. Hold on. There you go. It's sent. Nice. You may have to re-sign up because I just updated this right now. So if you guys haven't, if you signed up before I announced it, just re-sign up again. It will send it again. Cool. Don't worry. I will make sure each of you get that. Damn! That was heavy. Just dropped 5K worth of value right there. Jesus. Oh my gosh. This is just some of the stuff that we share on the daily in the community. So if you're like, this stuff is awesome, I want to keep this Christmas going, join the academy, join the community. That's all we do is we share resources, we share tips, we share apps, prompts, coaching, all of that. I want to make sure I get some battery. Just received the email. Thank you, my people. I'll leave a link. So from the email, make sure I'll leave it open for 24 hours, at least till later tonight. So make sure you get the email, go to that Google Drive and copy that Google Drive. You have over 100 people. I could not be able to do it without Didi, without, where did Moonlight also go? There's Moonlight. I see Moonlight. Let me also pin Moonlight because Moonlight and Didi were like, yo, tap the fingers. Tap the phone. Get the freak. Do you not understand? Freaking. We went from free workbook. By the way, if anyone didn't get the workbook, type Claude, and I'll get you guys that Claude workbook. We went from that 90-page or 68-page workbook to now a full Alex Hormozi. We will never speak about this again. We will never speak about the Alex thing again. I would just say I shared an Alex gift, and then if you know, you're on the industry. I'm never going to share it again, ever. I promise you guys. Because it's only the people in the community. It's what I give for my community members. Someone did get the Claude link. I got you. We got some goodies. Hold on. Let's kind of go through the goodies. Let's recap the goodies that you guys won for hitting that like button. That's all it took. Isn't that crazy? All right. Prize number 1 was this. Jesus. I see there's a party in here. I come in and I'm like, all right. I mean, come on, let's give it up. Moonlight and Didi, everyone, give a shout out to them and thank both of them. They were the MVPs and just went spam to make sure to unlock all of these free gifts for you guys. Everyone in the community. Teamwork. So in this, this goes through basically everything you can want to know about Claude is in here. I'm using this just so I could kind of stay up to date with all the things because I didn't know about hooks. There's a lot of even things I'm even trying to go deeper on, like sub-agents and skills. That's a whole thing. So that's one. That's a great one there. So that's prize number 1. If you didn't get it, let me know and I will give that to you. Prize number 2 was a full Claude Code course. Didi's like, yes, I was just researching Claude today. Quick plug, quick little thing. When you join, you're going to be on my email list. I'm going to send out an email later today this Saturday and Sunday, I'm having a 2-day Claude Mastery Workshop. It's live. We're going to get on day one. I'm going to teach you Claude basics. I'm going to teach you how to do prompt engineering. I'm going to teach you how to use Claude Cowork. Then we move fast. We go straight into building and deploying websites. So if you have a website, wanted to build a website, or even want to like update your website, for example, I'm going to show you how to build with Claude Code to vibe code a beautiful website. And my websites are no joke. Let's go one. Like these are the types of websites that I'll teach you how to vibe code. Oh, my internet is slow. Give it a moment. There we go. Give it a moment. Oh, my internet is so slow. See how slow? Because I'm live streaming at the same time right now. There we go. Beautiful B-roll banner with like a montage. And then you've got whatever your nano. Actually, that was a Nano Banana headshot. So a lot of this stuff is showing you how to build really cool websites like that. Then that's day one. So by the end of day one, you will have a vibe coded website deployed to the web, and you will only pay $3 a month for your entire website. Technically, you could go as cheap as like $2 a month and have no impact. But if you want to go a little crazy, $3 a month, all the websites. That's there. How do you get, which of the stuff? She's like, I just came in. You're late. You're late. Welcome. I'm Jonathan Cunha. I teach AI every day. I join, ask AI questions, and then every 10,000 likes, we have a fun game where I give away free prizes every 10,000 likes. You guys really want to see what's at 100,000 likes? I might have to top a $5,000 prize. I have to top that. Jesus, I'm gonna have to end this live stream before like you guys are like, if we got this, if we got the Alex thing at 80,000 likes, they're like, just got a $7 a month chat. Don't worry. It happens to everyone. I signed up, haven't got the email. Check your spam folder. It's going to come from an email called hello@simpletechskills.com. So hello@simpletechskills.com is going to be it. Get to 160K. It's like, so the other thing that you guys unlocked was a full Claude Code course. So let me help you guys get that. Okay, so this is a full Claude Code course that amazing members like Didi and Moonlight just unlocked. 100,000 gifts? Jesus. Oh, Jesus, slow down. I'm like, I just gave you guys a 5,000 prize. They want more. They want more. Feed the algorithm. Feed. All right, I'm going to get you guys 100K likes. Our 100K like prize. I'm really going to have to think about it. Oh! Okay. 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 Tell you what. I no longer offer it anymore for a specific reason, but since we made it to 100,000 likes, I'll give you guys a free 7-day pass to the community and the academy. All the courses, all our live streams, all our weekly workshops that we have. You could come and meet the community. We have classes Tuesday through Friday. Today we just had an open forum. We started talking about Claude and website building. This whole week is going to be mostly Claude, is like building with Claude, for example. So yes, I will give you a free 7-day pass. Come in, try out the community, hang out. You get full access to everything, all the courses, all the resources, all go crazy Netflix binge. And if you like it, it's only $97 a month. You could cancel before. You're not charged. It is completely free. And come in and meet the family. Like, honestly, there's 160 other amazing people like me. And this is what we do. I have a value where you can see how I share. I share a lot of gangster stuff with the members in the community. So okay, let's get you guys set up with a free code. At 100,000 likes, we unlocked a free. I no longer give free 7-day passes, like specifically, like, so that's like, I'm like, you guys are really pushing me to go all out. Like, I don't know where I'm gonna go for like 150K likes and 200K likes, Shit, like I might have to come to your house and pick you and cook you dinner at 200K likes. Not all my YouTube videos are free, and how sad. We get a lot of haters and bots. So don't worry, we kick out the haters and bots. If you guys see haters and bots, don't worry. I am ruthless with the blocks. I don't tolerate any negativity in my community or my life. No, we're having too much fun here. I'm giving you guys let me know how that. I haven't even got through the whole Alex thing too. That Alex thing has all the courses, the workshop, the workbooks, the playbooks. The playbooks alone, like have fun with the playbooks. Okay, I need to go to give you guys a code and go to settings and then give you guys a special code and then go to coupons and then create a new one. And then I'm going to call this one 100K. Is that a coupon code? 100K? 100K. Yeah, 100K. Coupon name? 100K. Free 7-day trial. And okay. I'm gonna do this. Give me one moment. This is gonna be easier. Let me go here. I have to do this in circle, which is interesting. So let me get you the OG one. Let me edit. I have God powers here. Auto apply coupon. Go to pricing. Oh, I think you save. Oh, and then you pick a coupon. Oh wait, don't worry about that. Go to pricing and then and do 7-day. Require, and you guys can cancel anytime, and then save. All right, let me give you guys the link. Free 7-day full access to my community. We have 160 members of all ones. Did you get the Alex Hormozi? Check hello@simpletechskills.com. If not, go back to that form and just opt in again. Maybe you just mistyped the email. Double check. If not, again, if any of you don't receive that kind of thing, just send me a DM in the send me a direct message in TikTok too. Don't worry. Some people got it too, so I want to make sure because it's not like if everyone was like, I didn't get it, then I'll be like, oh, there's a bug in my automation. I want to make sure my automation works. All right, let me make this. Actually, you could just go there, yeah. And then it should auto apply. Yep, free 7-day. Okay, there it is. And okay, so let me get a link shortener for you guys. I need to upgrade my shortly. It's a lot of information. Didn't get it. Okay, one's got it, one didn't get it. If you did, it says like one got it, one didn't get it. If you didn't get it, look in your spam folder for hello@simpletechskills.com. Let me show you that email so that you can search for it. Okay, here we go. So this is the email, and then I'm going to work on the link. So look for an email from this email. That's what the emails are coming in at. They're most likely going to go to your spam folder. So unfortunately, when you email as much as I email, okay, this is, I'm going to call this trial. It's a free 7-day trial, and then save, and then copy, and then let me test it. Okay, test in the link. Just always make sure you test before you deploy. And yes, you found mine there. Nice. And then down here, there you guys go. Free 7-day trial. No charge. You could cancel before. So there's no charge. Literally nothing. Dang. That's for 100,000 likes. 120,000 likes. Like you guys, I'm going to have to like stop the live stream because you guys are going too crazy. I never met a live stream that was too crazy. Okay, so here is the link. Okay, let me there we go. Take a screenshot, take a screenshot, take a screenshot, take a screenshot. This is a free 7-day full access to the community, all our courses, all our worksheets, all our weekly meetings, everything. You get to meet all the amazing members. You get full access. Yes, it is requiring for you to put up your card, because if you're down, you can stay. If not, it kicks out all the free people that aren't. Like, if you're just looking for free stuff, that will deter you already. Because if you think there's a lot of free stuff on the live stream, you'll get a ton. Like, to kind of give you guys a tour. So, this is our community. Ta-da! I know, so crazy. We have, how many members we have? 158 members. We have every course that you could kind of think of. Like, you want to do Notion, ChatGPT, Custom GPT, HeyGen, Avatars, Clone, NAN, HeyGen. We literally covered everything AI over the last year, so you'll find all courses there. Then what you guys really want to go for is the Claude Code course right here. This, if you go to view, definitely, Francis, I'll take a look at it. This right here is where you can see we have the workbook, we have the course, we have also other goodies like how to ship an AI dev team in a box, how to do vibe coding, password protect railway apps, webhooks for automation, social media automation scheduling app. And then we have most of everything is in the levels. Like, if you're overwhelmed, just hang out in the levels, and the levels will go through. It's basically the certification program, but just in course form. We have, so we start you with Apple, then we go through task management, and then password management, and then knowledge management, and then we're going to take this away. This was custom GPT. We don't teach custom GPTs anymore. Isn't that wild? Custom GPTs are like no longer a thing. We need to get you trained in GenSpark in here. And then we have a lot of little stragglers. ClickUp is actually very interesting there. So there, what you're really going for is the class recordings. Every Tuesday through Friday, we have a live workshop, Tuesday through Friday. And so you can see yesterday we talked about advanced workflows. We did Claude Cowork last Friday. We did live demoing of tools, presented Cam. We did a Claude Code introduction course. We did a Facebook ad, how to set up pixels course. That's actually a 2-part day. We went through Higgs fields. We went through Notebook LM. We went through how to automate your content, AI avatars. Oh, the AI avatar app is actually really cool. That one's like how to build a HeyGen automation app, which is really interesting. Vibe coding 101, and then building websites, and then, yeah, so this is just all of the latest that we go deep. Actually, I'll show you something like this one. So you can see this is just after like one meeting. Like, if I scroll down to the tools, this is just one day. One day. Look at all the tools mentioned. This is just one day. One day. We're talking about all of these tools. That's just from one of our daily meetings. So you'll get a ton of them. I don't know. I can see 200K. 200K, I'm going to have to like discount my one-on-ones at that point and give you guys my one-on-ones at discount. Like, that would be a whole dang. Actually, 2 feet. You guys are too crazy. Too crazy. I didn't realize you guys wanted so much free stuff. There's a lot. That workbook is actually really dope. I actually would go through that workbook tonight to kind of skim through some of the Claude skills. And then this Saturday, we're going to have a Claude Code workshop. It's going to be hands-on. We're going to be building websites, building apps, APIs, deploying to the web, vibe coding, using Claude Cowork, setting up projects, skills, MCPs, CLIs, APIs. I know if a lot of these things like sound Chinese and types things, that all is going to be on this Saturday. It's going to be the crazy thing. So this Saturday workshop, we're going to be teaching Claude Code. I'm super excited. I need to eat dinner and take a break before you guys go too ham. It's like, I ran out of prizes right now. Like, oh, if you didn't receive, don't worry. Send me an email or no, send me a DM. Just send me a DM check for the email from hello@simpletechskills.com, and I'll make sure that link is active as of tonight. So after tonight, I'm taking that email away from there. Thoughts on OpenClaw? No need for OpenClaw. OpenClaw stuff like that is like for personal assistant. That's personal assistant stuff, but the real stuff is Claude Code. Big shout out to Didi. Big shout out to Moonlight Weaver. Both of you, tag team. We would not have all of these amazing prizes that everyone should be thanking you, each of you, for. If you didn't get the email, just send me a DM and I'll send you that link to make sure you guys get it. So good to see each and every one of you. I'll see you on the next live stream. And tomorrow, we'll play the game again. Every 10,000 likes, a new prize. I'll catch you guys later. Stay blessed. Bye. Holy Jesus. That was a crazy live stream. Crazy live stream. Crazy live stream. Very interesting.